It's harvest time, guys. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo yung kangkong ko. Hitik na siya. Actually, nilagay ko yan dito, guys. Kasi yung mga rabbit, kinakain to. Kaya, sinabit ko na lang dito para hindi nila maabot. Kaya, yan, oh. Ang dami. Mas madami pa nga sana yan, eh, kung hindi nakain ng mga rabbits. So, anyway, mag-harvest tayo. Ayan na siya, nag-harvest na. Galing pa lang yan siya sa work. Kararating lang. Ayan, nag-harvest na agad. At itong sunflower namin is ready to pick up na also. I can keep the seeds for next year. But I let it dry more. Ayan, oh. Para i-keep natin ang seeds for next year. Okay, let's harvest some tomatoes. Every week we harvest tomatoes, guys. There's a lot of tomatoes every week. See, look at that. It's perfect for the salad. There's a lot in the other side. Siya itong laging nagwa-water dito sa garden namin. Masipag yan siya mag-water. Yay! We have more tomatoes. Malalanta na tong mga ano, pero ano pa rin, meron pa rin kaming harvest. Ito namang mga okra, pagulangin ko na to kasi matigas na, oh. Para meron tayong okra na naman next year. Naka-harvest na ako diyan, guys. Ginulay ko na nga. Yeah, this one, you like it there, see?
Yeah, wow.
I think he likes like something not too hot, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of bugs biting me.
Yeah.
Nilagay ko tong wind chime dito. Yan pa, oh. Marami pa dito sa ilalim. Then next time we should go like a higher. This one, well, we should make it higher so we can go inside.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like something, and then we don't plant in the middle. That way we can walk.
Yeah, big arch.
Yeah. Yeah, I have more bitter melon. I'm gonna harvest this too. Yeah.
You want that off?
Yeah.
Is that too small?
No, that's good enough. It won't grow. There's more tomato. There's a lot in the middle, but it's hard to reach. I can reach from here. Yan, may mga upo pa tayo. Huh? Not yet. That's the letter. I let it go. Ayan, guys. Sa likod, ang dami doong mga malalaking kamatis. Yan. Mainit ngayong weekend kaya mag-harvest na tayo this week. Ngayon mag-harvest na kami kasi this weekend is gonna be very hot, guys. Like sabi nila mga 100 degree, mga ganon kainit. Parang sa Pilipinas. Kaya ngayon pa lang i-harvest na namin tong mga tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a lot, right? And they'll come back next year. I'll harvest this. Huh?
Hiding back here doing what we're doing.
The other side.
This one's trying to take off though, Rose.
Huh?
This little one's trying to.
They're trying.
That's a branch out now. That one's kind of not doing nothing. This one's so.
Yeah.
Or this one's trying.
He's trying, but maybe it's too late.
Yeah, I don't think it'll make. It might not.
Maybe it won't make it.
You don't know. Maybe in a month it's got some fruit on it.
Yeah. Here, babe. Okay, let's go at the back. Dito na tayo sa likod, guys. Ito siya, iwan ko anong klaseng halaman to. Pero ayan o, ang dami niya. Meron din akong saluyot, pero ito lang ang nabuhay. Ang dami kong tinanim yan, pero isa lang nabuhay. I have some okra here, but I let it grow because it's already hard one. Ayan, marami pang tomatoes dito guys. So, some are already on the ground. They're falling on the ground. Tomatoes are good when it's freshly harvested. It's good for your salad. Dito. Oh, here's the rabbit, Mr. Rabbit. He go under the... Yeah, he went in underneath.
What's he doing?
He's hiding. He's eating some vegetable. He said, I should have shared, guys. Right? There's some melon here. See that one? Really big.
Yep. One over here too. Little one.
Huh?
Over here. Kind of hidden back here.
By that chair?
No. Oh, down there.
Huh?
Down there.
Okay, there's another one. It's very sweet. The one I harvest is so sweet. I eat it. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this. Baby, it's so big. Tomato. Giant.
Wow.
Wow.
It is.
There's one on the ground. It's
saw
falling.
that.
They keep falling.
That was rotten, right?
No?
No, it's not. It's still on the vine.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. See, it's so big. Wow, that's a big one. There's another one. It fall. When you... Meron pa dito, guys. Oh. Wow, this one is so big. Look, babe.
Wow.
It's like a big as my hand. This is cool, guys. And here's more. Here's more.
It's going to be
See?
ready in a few days.
Yeah. Wow.
That's a good one.
This is big. We're gonna make escabeche, sweet and sour. And this one, look, I think this is ready, babe. Our purple tomato.
Really?
There's one, only one. See the purple. This is
yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Purple tomato. Oh, I wanna save seeds of this. This is really cool, right?
Yep.
I like this one. Kakaiba siya, guys. Para siyang eggplant kung tingnan. Pero ano lang pala siya. Tomato. Yan pa, oh. Maganda siya paramihin next time. Kasi kakaiba. The purple tomato. It's not ripe. There's another 2 ripes. Look, babe. The purple tomato.
Wow.
That's really cool. I like that. I wanna
let these still grow. Right?
Yeah, like this they will turn like this, red.
They do turn red. Really?
No, there's more, babe. See, it fall on the ground. There's more. Yan po, guys. Oh, ang dami talaga. Kaya maganda talaga magtanim, guys, kasi kahit paano meron tayong mga harvest, diba? Huh? There's more. There's a lot here. See? Yeah. I think they like this area. It's not too hot.
Yep. Yep, I think so.
Right? They're more
They
healthier.
are. Look at those.
Wow, very pretty.
We don't like full sun, I guess. Just a little bit.
Yeah, I think this one is
It's too hot.
right area for tomatoes, right?
Yep, I think so.
Maybe we put here in this area next time. Aside from the battle guard, the one that climbing, that fence is perfect for battle guard, right?
Yeah.
Because they can climb. Yan, meron na tayong magamit guys sa pag magluto tayo ng soup or kaya gawa tayo ng salad. Ayan, meron na tayong magamit, diba? Hindi na kami bibili ng kamatis. Kamatis pa lang ulam na o bagoong na lang kulang o kaya yung amahong. Sarap yung sa amahong. Let's see the bottle guard. It's getting big right there. Ah, look, babe. Surprise! Wow, it. Oh no, it's stuck. But can you pull? It's stuck there.
Because I can't grow.
Oh no. Like there. There you go. That's perfect. He's stuck.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. Works.
Yeah. I say I want to grow more. This one is dying. I have more bottle guard. Ayan pa guys, meron pa tayong opo dito. Baka meron na naman sa labas. See, the bugs eat that again. Oh, you let that climb, yeah. Let it climb there. Yeah. I let it climb the rest. Huh?
I didn't think that many tomatoes. I thought, oh, maybe just a few.
Yeah. Maybe pick up this other one.
Yeah, let that go, Rose. We'll get that in a few days.
I already picked up. Only one. Only one.
No, it's not right.
Here.
Put that in the sun.
Yeah. Can I see how that one we harvest? And then we're gonna put a bugs powder. Ayan guys, ito yung na-harvest namin today guys. Ayan. Ang dami oh. Ayan. Meron tayong better melon, maliit lang siya. So yan lang guys ang na-harvest namin today. Thank you for watching. Ayan, nagpausok tayo guys para yung mga bugs mawawala. Yan, tinanggal ko na yung mga nagda-dry na mga halaman. And then, yun ang ginamit ko na pang pausok. Ha? It's in the pink drawer. Ayan guys.